Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Okay, first things first, open up your Roblox app. And then, once you are in here, what you want to do is to click the three dots icon right here. Look for settings and press it. Once you are in your settings, in here you will be pressing privacy. What you want to do here in privacy is to disable the account restrictions switch just right here. And then close your Roblox app and restart it. And lastly, open the app once again and launch a game that uses a voice chat to check if it is already working. However, if it's still not working, make sure to contact Roblox support because it might be some glitches or issues in the app. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox voice chat not working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.